If you love adding a fun and colorful touch to your gifts, party favors, or crafts, then these bags are such a great find. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca WTI, and these medium paper gift bags from qiqee have made my gift wrapping so much more fun. This set includes 24 paper gift bags with handles, and they come each in a different solid color. I love that there are so many vibrant colors to choose from because it makes it super easy to match different themes or occasions. The variety gives me so many options, whether I'm putting together party favors, small gifts, or packaging treats. The bags are also such a great size. I was able to put in all the little gifts that I had prepared, and I really like that they come with handles because it makes them so easy to carry around. And I also find that the handles are really sturdy, which was really practical. And one thing I noticed was that the colorful designs make even simple gifts feel way more personalized and thoughtful. I've really enjoyed how these bags add a pop of color and make my gift giving feel way more creative and exciting. And that's just my point of view.